Hello everyone, welcome back to Drilling Nerd, where we share great ideas to make your home better. I'm John, and today we are talking about farmhouse bedroom design and decoration ideas that you will really like. Whether you are interested in a vintage mirror, a mix of wood and stone, thrift store art, a metal bed frame, rustic wood accents, a naughty pine wall, or making space for two, we have got everything you need. Stay with us to learn how to make your bedroom cozy and charming with a farmhouse style. Choose a vintage mirror. One of the best ways to add personality and charm to your farmhouse bedroom is to choose a vintage mirror. Whether it's wooden, metal, or ornate, hang it on your wall, door, or dresser. This not only reflects light, making the room feel more spacious, but also creates a focal point with a touch of elegance. Mix wood and stone. Enhance your farmhouse bedroom with texture and character by incorporating a mix of wood and stone, whether it's in your flooring, walls, ceiling, or furniture. The combination offers a rustic and natural look. Experiment with reclaimed wood, burned wood, brick, or slate to create contrast and visual interest. Hang some thrift store art. Infuse color and fun into your farmhouse bedroom by hanging thrift store art. Choose pieces with a vintage, country, or floral theme, placing them on your wall, window, or headboard. This not only adds personality and charm but also allows you to save money while supporting a good cause. Choose a metal bed frame. Elevate the style of your farmhouse bedroom by selecting a metal bed frame. Opt for finishes like wrought iron, brass, or copper, coordinating with your bedding, curtains, or pillows. This not only adds durability and comfort but also creates a timeless and sophisticated look. Add rustic wood accents. Create warmth and coziness in your farmhouse bedroom by incorporating rustic wood accents. Use it for shelves, a headboard, nightstand, or bench to achieve a homely feel. Baskets, crates, or boxes can be employed for storage, keeping your room organized, and a naughty pine wall. Infuse texture and character into your farmhouse bedroom with naughty pine wall. Use it for one or all walls to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Experiment with light or dark paint colors or leave it natural for added contrast and visual interest. Make room for two. Add charm and romance to your farmhouse bedroom by making room for two. Opt for a king or queen sized bed and enhance it with cozy bedding like quilt, duvet, or comforter. Add pillows, cushions, or throws to create a soft and snug feel, making your bed more spacious and inviting. That wraps up our today's video, folks. I hope you found inspiration in these farmhouse bedroom design and decor ideas for your own space. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more videos.